What is your dream income or dream lifestyle? Have you ever thought of living the life of your dreams, but for some reason, you're stuck in your current job and can't move forward to live your dream lifestyle? You're currently stuck in a cycle of going to your job, earning money, paying your bills, buying a bit of your needs and wants, and then repeat the same cycle of going to your job, earning money, paying your bills, buying your needs and wants. Naisip mo ba na there might be something more than to this? If you are feeling that way, then you are stuck in what they call the rat race. What is the rat race? The rat race is the never-ending cycle of you going to your job, earning money, paying your bills, buying a bit of your needs and wants, repeating the same cycle over and over again, but it's not getting you towards your dream income or your dream lifestyle. So how do you get out of the rat race and achieve your dream lifestyle? The good news is that we have this project called Cashflow Workshop. In this workshop, instead of you attending a seminar, which is the most common thing that happens in a workshop, what you actually do is you play a game called Cashflow. So ano nga ba yung Cashflow? Cashflow is a board game that was created by Robert Kiyosaki, who is also the author of the best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. In this game, there are two tracks. You have the rat race and you have the fast track. The goal of the game is to get you out of the rat race and onto the fast track. The rat race is the proverbial trap that we are in. Going to your job, getting some money to pay for your bills, and then repeating the same cycle. That's the rat race. The fast track is actually the world of the rich. The objective of that game is to teach you the formula on how you can get out of the rat race and onto the fast track. Kung hindi ka masaya sa current income mo and you want to know the formula on how you can get out of the rat race and achieve your dream lifestyle, then you have to play the Cashflow board game. Alam nyo, this is not just a game. This is financial education while having fun learning on how to get out of the rat race. Participate in our Cashflow workshop by hitting the send message button below the video link. Thank you and see you in our Cashflow workshop.
I got 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 8,000 cash flow. Total of 755,000, making me a winner in the game. Okay.